Good morning, class. Please place your homework on the corner of your desk. We will review towards the end of the class. Place your eyes on the board and follow along as I read the sentence. During September and October of 1774, delegates from all 13 colonies met together in one place for the first time ever in the First Continental Congress in Philadelphia. George Washington was one of the delegates. So at this point, I'm going to have you guys choral read for one more time. Go ahead and begin. Looking at this sentence, what do you know and wonder? When I say go, take 2 minutes with your shoulder partner to discuss your response at Volume 1. Tim, what question are we answering? Stacy, how long do we have? Chris, what volume? Go chunk by chunk. I chunk the sentence up for you. What does each part mean? What does this sentence mean? When I say go, you will have 3 minutes to silently and independently annotate this sentence to determine what you think it means. Tammy, what will you be doing? Lynn, how much time do you have? Beth, what volume? Go. Well, Tommy, good job with the annotation. Nice using different highlighters for different parts. Good idea. Okay, before we start to discuss, I'd like to point out the structure of the sentence. Sentences must be grammatically correct so the reader can understand the meaning. This is called syntax. Syntax is in the order in which words are put in the sentence, which should have a subject, verb, and object. Note the example on the board. Let's come together as a class and discuss the meaning of a sentence. Remember, sentence structure is important to contribute to the meaning of the sentence. Tommy, can you please explain part A of the sentence? Yes, that's correct. The first part of the sentence is a phrase setting the time that the sentence took place. Also, please note there's a comma at the end of the introductory phrase, which notes a pause before moving forward. This is a very important aid. Lisa, what do you think part B means? Yes, people from different areas did meet. A delegate is a person who is selected to represent a group of people in a political setting. In this case, represents one of the 13 colonies. If you note in part C, this is a big deal because this is the first time this has ever taken place, and part D is the name given to this group of delegates, the First Continental Congress, which was held in Carpenter Hall in Pennsylvania. Lance, will you finish up the last part of the sentence? Yes, George Washington was the first president. This is a significant part to the sentence because it emphasizes the importance of the meeting since the first president was also there. Great job, guys. Have a good evening.